Welcome back to Optimized Health, where we're making easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Today we're doing an information video on a popular struggle that people may be encountering when they're trying to lose or maintain their weight and to not, regain lost weight, and that is sugar and sweet cravings. A lot of people may know that, there's certain things you can do, certain tricks that you may learn as you go through dieting and life in general, but there are some things that maybe aren't as readily known. So I just wanted to go over a few of those. Increased insulin levels can increase sugar cravings, and so our insulin is going to increase after meals, particularly if the meals are high in carbohydrates. So what we can do is to try to lower our glycemic index of a meal by balancing meals. If you're not already following a low carb lifestyle, you might consider adding healthy fats and fibers to the meals that you're having. Another thing is to help steady your insulin levels. I go through this in other videos where we are looking at more low carb as well as intermittent fasting, or time restricted feeding is another word for that. If you're having more than 3 meals a day, or if you're eating more than 12 to 14 hours,
you should talk to your doctor, healthcare provider, or veterinarian to see if any of these recipes, suggestions, or contents of these videos are right for you. Nothing contained in these videos are intended to be taken as medical advice. Use at your own risk.
Out of the day, that could make it hard. You probably will have cravings for a lot of things. Another really big issue that people may not address appropriately is that dehydration can actually make it hard for the body to process glycogen, and that can increase our cravings for sugar. So just staying hydrated. If you're having cravings, like reaching for water, or maybe even water with a flavored electrolyte supplement could help, because another important thing that goes along with that is having micronutrient deficiency. And I think in this country and in Western civilizations where they're consuming a lot of processed foods, there can be a challenge with having macro and micronutrient deficiencies, where another really important component to decreasing sugar cravings is having enough protein. And part of just addressing any sort of diet or maintenance meal plan would be making sure we're consuming enough protein, and that can be starkly higher than what most people may realize. So for most people and most women, we need to target at least 100 grams a day. If you're a very small person, like 90 pounds or under, you may be able to get away with 80 or 90 grams of protein a day. If you're a larger person or male, you probably are looking at least 150 grams of protein a day. And if you're eating 2 meals, then you're looking at 50 to 75 grams per meal. So we have some recipes that you can try to add in extra protein and really to supplement that and support your body with what it needs. And when the body gets enough protein and is able to not only use that as building blocks for healing and repair and maintenance, but also amino acids that contribute to our mood and anything from anxiety and depression to challenges with sleep, as well as cravings. So I'm going to do some additional videos, particularly on sleep and potentially on some with the chemicals in the brain and how things that we eat can impact our mood. I hope that you guys get some good information from this video, and please send in the comments like what you want us to talk about next, and like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.